Wet it, wet it, wet it. Wet it, wet it, wet it. Wet that hair. Yeah. And just rake it through. And rake that product through. And it's not even that thick either. Like, it's not a seriously thick product, but it's thick enough. I know y'all seen that. That was
easy as hell. Look.
Ow! I feel good. I know that I'm hood. Like, are you serious? I'm having too much fun with this. This has got me rapping. I'm having fun. Because if you have thick hair, you know, like, doing your hair can be so annoying sometimes just because it can take you all day. It can be really annoying. See, we about to pop this bad boy on. And it's a lot of hair, but shoot, I'm not discouraged at all at how much I have left. Because I'm just going through it with ease. I know that I'm hood. Do. I didn't even think I was going to be rapping like this, y'all. Not this much. I didn't think this was going to be this good. Flashback. I'm excited. I'm excited. Because usually my hair takes a while to get through this. Like, this is turning out to be a longer video than I thought. Because I don't want to speed this up. I'm probably going to have to speed certain parts up. But it's fun. This is so much fun. Like, you never thought your hair would, like, be this easy to do. I'm just raking it through, y'all. It feels like lotion. I wouldn't even call this, I mean, it's conditioner, yeah, but look at that. I ain't even brushed it yet. And my curls is nourished and strengthening the look. Just like it says. And it's just going through my hair like, bow. Like butter, baby. It's buttery and delicious. Like I say, you don't have to twist your hair up like this, but this helps. Because once I take this bad boy out, my curls gonna be popping like hell. And I feel like specifically with this, it makes you want to do smaller twists or braids or whatever you do. It makes you want to make them longer because you know once you take them out, your curls gonna be popping. Because you can see it popping before. It's popping. It's popping. Hit, hit. Hit, hit. Alright. For real. For real. That's insane. And now I do see some people, like, they twist their hair up and then they take it out on the next day. Or I usually keep my hair in for a long time. As long as I can. I'm gonna make bigger sections up here. Bigger sections. Bigger. Actually, I'm gonna take this off. Yep. She comes off because I want to make sure I get it in here. Get it in the root. Okay. Ooh. Say no more. Look at that definition. Look at that definition. Come on, y'all. Come on. Shoot. Come on. Come through. Curls. Man, when I take this out, y'all, I ain't gonna know who I am. I'm be acting all types of brand new. I'ma be acting crazy. I'ma be acting berserk. Mind y'all, that's not my real singing voice. So that's just for fake. Look at that. That's crazy. Ugh. Okay, so one thing you also need when you doing this is a big t-shirt and something to drink. I got some water. Okay. Water. Stay hydrated. Hydrate your hair and hydrate your body at the same time. Okay. All right. And yeah, she is a lot, you know. It's a lot of hair. But that's what you want. You gotta be careful what you ask for. If you want a lot of hair, you gonna get it. You gonna get it. But you gotta stay down. Like, my hair was damaged as hell. Like, it's always been long, but I made some hair mistakes. And if you look at my blog, when I talk about my rice water, I also talk about, like, how my hair routine changed over the years. I used to dye my hair and then put perms in it and then flat iron it and blow dry. It was just too much. That's my niece crying, if you hear that. Man, I don't know. Y'all. I think this is a winner. It was $5. I mean, shit. $5? See, even that was a little harder to brush because I put the product in first. But it still has the same results. Results. Look at that. Results. That's what I'm talking about. You see the curls before you even twist it, you know? That's what I'm talking about. Bow. This is what you do. Like, look at that. Look at how bouncy. My shit's bouncy. Come on now. That don't just happen by accident, Negroes. Come on. Alright. I'm so happy it's fall. How y'all feel about that? Like, I'm just happy as hell. Honestly, because it's like, it's been so hot. Like, this whole freaking summertime was just, it was insanely hot. Like, I was sweaty all the time, every day. You can be cute in the summertime, but it's just too sweaty. I just hate sweating. It's like not Law and Order. It's not cute. Like, I love fall because I love wearing jackets all the time. If it wasn't so damn hot, I would wear jackets all the time. Jackets. I'm just so pressed for fall because it's a breeze. Like, you get that breeze. You feel cute. Still wear your sunglasses. You know. Boop. We're coming to a close, peeps. You know. I'm finna twist this. Twist it up. So easy. I love it. I love it. First impressions are like, come on. My twists are juicy as a hell. Juicy. You know. It was worth the wait. I've specifically waited to do this video for you guys. I usually do my hair like this maybe like every other week. I let it breathe. And I still detangle it with rice water every night. Just to make sure Because you got to use rice water. If you want your hair to grow, you got to use it all the time. Anytime your hair feel dry, throw the rice water in. But specifically with this conditioner, I waited to use this for y'all because this was my first impression of this product, you know. So I could put this through my hair. I'm gonna put my fingers to your hand. Yeah, get them ends, because that's the problem area. Reiki, Reiki. And it's like, I don't even have to wait until it's dry. I already know what it's going to do. I already see it. Look at that. Come on. Stop it. Stop the lies. Stop the games. I like products that show you that it's going to work. And this is one of those products. It's curling up right now. Like, what? So I know that once I take these twisties out, I'm going to be looking like who? Okay. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Okay. And it could be all in you too. Just get this Suave conditioner. You know? And I'm definitely going back to get some more products because, baby. If this works so smoothly, then just imagine what it's going to be like having all of them. And just like that, y'all, I am finished. So you can do what you feel. And as you can see, I'm dripping, literally. So you can put the towel on. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to put this towel situation on my head. Ooh. Oh. I'm going to put this on my head so that my hair can, like, dry. Okay. Fix me up. Look how cute this is. So cute. Anywho, I'm finished. I am done. It's a wrap. This has been really, really fun. I actually had so much fun doing this. This is the truth right here. I recommend everybody go get this. If your hair is thick, go get this. If your hair is curly as hell, go get this. If your hair is kinky as hell, go get this. You will detangle your hair with ease. What else can I say? You can detangle your hair with ease. It smells amazing. Like, it's the shea butter and the coconut oil is so rich. It's $5. I bought this from Walmart. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it probably at Target as well. This is the truth. Like, I'm going to try to use this as sparing as possible. But this is the truth right here. You got to go get this. This is the Nourish and Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Wet your hair first. Take it time by time, section by section. Put the product in and you will start to see that it's working. And my curls is there. They ain't going nowhere. I did my little twist out situation, you know. So I'm going to leave this in for a couple more days. And I'll come back to y'all with some pictures. You know what I'm saying? And I will leave my blog post below so you can get the facts on Suave. Like my blog post. Follow me at my blog post. And I'll put it below so you guys know what the deal is and what the deal ain't. It's your girl, Ombre Alert. And I'm out of here. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.